Hello, bestie. Welcome to day number 11 of 30 of my YouTube challenge. So, I've tasked myself to upload for 30 days until I meet my tribe. So, if you're new here, please subscribe. We can't wait to welcome you to the family of besties. Also, leave me a comment and tell me where you are from and how did you find it. So today I'm going to be traveling to my vacation. So I'm going to be vlogging and sharing some beautiful moments from Turkey. Turkey is in the south coast, is it? Southeast, southwest?
Southwest.
It's in the southwest of England. That's where I am. So let's get going. We are taking the cats to the vacation with us, and we're going to try and see if they can go to the toilet or drink water midway through. So we're going to drive for 2 hours, stop after 2 hours and try. So let's see how that goes. So it's not a win. We should bring them, take them inside.
Yeah. I'm leaving the lead on.
Yeah. Oh, Simba is shaking.
Hello. Hey, Simba.
Simba is really shaking.
It's too noisy.
Arrived, and this is where we're going to be staying. Let me give you a proper tour. My cats are so scared right now. We don't understand what's going on.
Hello. Hello. Hey, Simba.
Simba got underneath there.
Hey, Simba. Hello.
Simba.
Oh. Hello. Hello.
This window. That's it.
You like it?
It's perfect.
Ooh, hello.
Can't wait to version of them.
You did it good. Simba thinks he's special. Oh, this stuff is beautiful. It's so cute.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not sure what these special things here.
There's a flight wrapped up. Over the next coming days, I will be vlogging from Turkey, and I'm looking forward to just sharing my vacation with you. And the reason why I love doing this part of YouTube, it's because it exhibits humanness. Because sometimes when somebody's a role model, it's easy for people to treat you like you're not a normal person, like you're a superhero, like you are somebody who has everything figured out, like, you know. So I love showing these parts of my life, the normal things that I do, so that you're okay there. You did already.
Why?
I don't know.
Existing?
Just for existing.
You're ready to finish.
No,
Be considerate.
that's alright, babe. Thank you for being considerate. What was I saying? I was saying these parts of life, they show humanliness, they show a role model as a human being. They show the rough edges, the rough parts of life. Not really rough, but let's say normal. Let's call normal. Alright? Like for example, I vlog and edit less here on YouTube and show things that you'd never see on short form. So if you know somebody who would be well suited for our tribe, please share the video. Don't hesitate to send me any questions on Instagram. I'll answer them here on video. Otherwise, I will see you tomorrow. Bye.